Today we are going to Mount Rushmore. No, tail tidy for the beast. Let's transform this to this. Let's go. Today we are going to need ratchet, Torx size 3 and 4, screwdriver, and wrench tool size 13. First we need to assemble the signal lights. First you're gonna use heat protector. This is the next piece. And you need to finish with this. Step 2. Take the side of the tail tidy, it's the cable coverage, and put together with the signal light. Insert the tail light, the original one, but not fully, like this. Now we have those 3 parts, and the next step is to join them together and hide the cables. Here. Grab a tail tidy and put together with this. Take a bolt. Next step. We're almost finished. Now cable per cable. The last step is to take the plate extensions. Those are for EU needs, and for the American roads you will need the extensions for those two. You can choose that on the web shop. Job done. This masterpiece is CNC machined out of high-grade aluminum. It's powder coated, and on the back side it has engraved Bagros Performance logo tag. This tail tidy is compatible with OEM turn signals. As you can see, it has 2 heat protectors because of the 2 high slung exhausts. If you don't have any, you don't need any heat protector, or if you have one, you need one. And one of the coolest features is this. It has no visible wiring due to amazing design. That's why we call this premium.